Hello, I'm Miles Tails Prower. Introduction to slit experiment. A slit is a narrow cut, or opening in a piece of cardboard used for the following experiment, known as slit experiment. In modern physics, we use double slit experiment, where light and matter can display characteristics of both classically defined waves and particles. First, we consider a single slit. Each length of slit is cut about 1 inch, for example. Now, we let the electromagnetic waves pass through the slit. Since both electric and magnetic field are perpendicular to each other, it will propagate in that direction. If the slit is cut vertically, as you can see, the horizontal wave vanishes at that point. As a result, only vertical wave can pass through the vertical slit. Similarly, if the slit is cut horizontally, only horizontal wave can pass through it. The slit experiment can sometimes be considered for polarization. One basic application is LCD display, which appears in the form of dark display. As you know, the light passes through mirror first, it then passes through polarizer and glass filter, one for the vertical, and the other horizontal. Between the polarization process, a liquid crystal layer contains negative and positive electrodes. Since positive electrode shows the display, each crystal has an applied voltage to it. At the final step, a cover glass lets you view LCD display like numbers, used in clocks, calculators, and other devices. And secondly, using double slit, but in terms of 2 dimensions. The light source comes from the single slit first, and then the light source is divided into 2, using double slit. When they are near to each other, it creates interference patterns on the screen called fringes. The middle ones have a maximum intensity by constructive interference. At the either side, the intensity then reduces to 0, that is by destructive interference, we get a dark fringe. And again, the intensity increases, but the peak level begins to decrease, and can gradually vanish at somewhere point according to the orders. This creates fringe patterns as a result. Anyway, it is symmetric. So, this video is about slit experiment. Like, comment, and subscribe now.